Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to send documents to Kindle. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on Account and Lists. The button's on the top right next to the language settings. I'm gonna click on it right now. Well, from here, as you can see, there are lots of options available. Simply scroll down till you see something like Digital Content and Devices. And from here, let's directly go to Devices. Once you're on this page, at the top you can see some few tabs like Content, Devices, Preferences and Privacy Settings. For now, what we need to do is simply go to Preferences. Then from here, simply scroll down till you see something like Personal Document Settings. Click on this button right here. Then as you can see, something like this opened up. Simply scroll down. The Personal Document Archiving is currently enabled. In case you have not enabled it, simply click on this Edit Archive Settings button right here and enable this checkbox. Once everything's okay, simply click on Update. After that's okay, simply click on this Add a New Approved Email Address button at the very bottom left. Right here into your email address, I'm gonna enter it right now. And once you've done it, simply hit on Add Address. And guys, that's it. This is how you can easily send documents to your Kindle account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.